What is up, guys? Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be adding some horsepower to my 240. Before we add the horsepower, we gotta clean her up because she is just covered in bird shit. It's really bad. Okay guys, then you take your horsepower and you set it up how you want to. So once you got your horsepower on, then you wait. Just let it dry for a little bit. Keep going back over it, flattening it out, trying to make sure it's not creased or anything. Mine's not perfect, I fucked up there. It's in between the letters, which is okay, but yeah, I'm excited. Alright guys, I think it came out pretty good. Pavement princess with my fucking off-road tires, light bars and shit. Still get called this. So, thought why not embrace it. Alright guys, so we got the sticker on. That's at least 100 horsepower. For the size of it, 22 by 4. That's around, do the math, that's about 100 horsepower. So I'm pretty happy. The car is gonna be so much faster and so much better off-road. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a like, comment down below what you guys think of the sticker, what other stickers should I put. I'm open to all suggestions, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.